You want the money, you want the love, you want the breakthrough. But let's be honest, you've been asking, visualizing, and affirming, and it still hasn't shown up yet. That doesn't mean it isn't working. It means that something is blocking it. And here's the truth. The biggest block is in the universe. It's you. It's the energy of waiting. When you say, where is it? Why isn't it here yet? Maybe it's not working. You push what you want further and further away because you're focused on the absence of it instead of the presence. Think about it. If you order something online, you don't sit by the door panicking, wondering if it's real. You trust that it's on the way. That's the vibration that brings things in faster. Expectancy. So here's how you can shift that right now. Step 1. Catch yourself when you start asking, why isn't it here yet? Because that's the block. Step 2. Replace it with the phrase, it's already mine, I'm just aligning with the delivery. Say it, feel it, and then move on with your day. And step 3. Do something fun, light, creative. This resets your energy from waiting into receiving. Your manifestation isn't late. It's circling you, waiting for you to drop the resistance. The moment you stop rehearsing the absence of it, you open the door for it to land. This video shows up right now because you needed this reminder. You are not blocked by the universe. You are only blocked by the story that you keep repeating. Change the story, and everything else has to change. So comment down below what you want, and then after put, it's already mine. I want to win something, and it's already mine. And like the video if you'd be so kind, and catch you when we align once again. Thank you for watching.